Yan, itong white radish, tapos in-shred, tapos pagka-shred siya, lagyan niya ng asin, tapos in-squeeze niya para matanggal yung juice ng white radish. Tapos yan, lagyan niya ng ngayon ng spring onion, tomato, and then ano pa nilagay mo, tita? Shallot. Tapos asin siguro mamaya, at saka yung asin, at saka suka, at saka yung delish na fried delish. Yung delish na ayan, oh. Hindi, ayan. Yan siya. So, ayan. It's so yummy. So, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and click the notification bell so I can notify you when I go upload next time. Thank you so much.